Wall Street keeps sliding, and tech stocks are leading the sell-off. Ahead of critical inflation numbers, investors are dumping ballast. Morning briefing, Wednesday, June 10th. Here's Christian Rao from Capital Mind AI. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 34 today. Now, let's get to the markets. The Dow Jones closed yesterday down 0.33%, the S&P 500 lost 0.8%, and the Nasdaq dropped 1.5%. The tech giants are feeling the pressure as the AI euphoria of the past few months starts showing its first cracks. Investors are trimming positions ahead of today's consumer price data, which will reveal whether inflation is truly under control. The nerves are palpable. These numbers could determine whether the Fed can cut rates this fall or not. Okay, if inflation comes in higher than expected, the rally could be finished for good. If it comes in lower, that could be the liberation blow. The markets are playing Russian roulette with the inflation data right now. While Wall Street trembles, tensions in the Middle East are escalating once again. The U.S. has carried out retaliatory strikes against Iran after an American military helicopter was shot down. The painstakingly negotiated ceasefire is hanging by a thread, and yet gold is still falling below $4,200. Normally, gold would surge in a situation like this, but the expectation of higher U.S. interest rates is pushing the price down. Markets appear to be pricing in that the Fed will have to stay tougher than anyone thought. And then there's an interesting story out of Sweden. Driverless trucking company Einride is making its Nasdaq debut today. The timing couldn't be better. Investors are hungry for anything tied to autonomous driving, especially in the lead-up to the SpaceX IPO at the end of the week. Einride is looking to ride the hype that Elon Musk is generating right now. The question is whether enthusiasm for autonomous technology is strong enough to survive the tech sell-off. The lesson the market is teaching today: when everyone is staring at the same numbers, things get dangerous. Do you think the inflation numbers will save the markets or drag them even lower? Drop it in the comments and see you tomorrow.